Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Cash App card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Cash App application and then log into your account using your biometrics or your PIN code. Now, once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into your home page where you will be shown all of your assets. Now, from the home page, if you don't already have a card, when you tap on the card icon, you will be shown the option to order a new card. However, if you already have your card set up with your Cash App account, then you will find your card right at the top of this page. And within this page, you will also find the lock card option. Now, in case your card was lost and you immediately need to secure it, you will be able to come to this option and tap on the lock card button to toggle it on, which will immediately lock your card. And if you wish to unlock it, you can simply tap on this button once again and your card will be unlocked. So you can come back to this menu at any time and change your lock and unlock settings for your Cash App card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to lock your Cash App card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.